Hey everyone! This is the MaxBot channel. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to a unique trading tool that will enable novice traders to more accurately analyze the market and make decisions with the support of powerful artificial intelligence. Let's open 2 trades using the free trading bot. By the way, you can get it for free forever using the link in the description. Details are in this video. Give it a like and let's get started. In the trading bot interface, I select a currency pair. Let's use the Euro and US dollar OTC. After that, I switch to the Binodex broker and preset this currency pair from the list. The investment amount for the first trade will be $700, and I'll set the expiration time to 1 minute. Now all I have to do is go back to the trading bot interface and press the expiration time button for 1 minute. As you can see, the artificial intelligence is preparing a forecast, and after analyzing the market, the bot has signaled that the price will go up. Well, now I'm switching to Binodex, carefully studying the chart, and deciding to open a bullish trade based on the signal from the free trading bot. I'm sure that the price will rebound from the local support area and my trade will close with a profit. I want to make one important point: even when you are working with a tested and reliable trading bot, you should not completely rely on automation. It is still important to apply your own trading logic, understand what is happening on the chart, and gradually improve your technical analysis skills. Artificial intelligence can simplify many processes and provide useful signals, but your own understanding of the market remains an important part of responsible trading. And once again, I want to remind you that you currently have the opportunity to get access to this neural network for free and use an unlimited number of trading signals. You can explore the complete functionality of the artificial intelligence system and see how it can assist you during your market analysis. To get started, simply follow the link provided in the description below this video. There you will be able to open the trading bot interface and follow the step-by-step instructions to connect and activate the tool for continued use. If anything is unclear during registration or you have difficulties connecting the system, don't worry. You can contact our manager directly, and they will explain the process and help you complete the necessary registration and verification with the Binodex broker. Link to the manager in the description. Okay, let's note that my first trade ended in profit. Good start. The neural network is working well. Now I'll open a second trade on the 5-minute time frame and invest $800 according to the money management rules. Guys, let's change the currency pair. I'll take the Australian dollar and American dollar OTC. Well, go to the bot interface, press 2 buttons, and wait for a signal. After analysis, the artificial intelligence predicts that the price will go up. I return to the broker and open a trade in accordance with the signal and my trading logic. Guys, please note that I'm currently trading on the over-the-counter market. This artificial intelligence very accurately analyzes the over-the-counter market thanks to its algorithms. You can get results even on weekends when the main trading platforms are closed. Basically, trade 24/7 thanks to modern, proven artificial intelligence. Let me remind you that this neural network is available for free via the link in the description, under permanent conditions, with full functionality and an unlimited number of signals. While the trades are running, let's take a closer look at one of the most interesting developments in modern trading, artificial intelligence, and discuss how beginners can use these technologies in a smart and responsible way. But before we continue, support the channel by leaving a like, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Here, I regularly share content about trading, market analysis, useful tools, and modern technologies that can help traders improve their approach. And I'm also interested in your experience, so write in the comments, have you ever used artificial intelligence while trading? And if so, what was your experience? Friends, today I want to explain how neural networks can assist traders in the currency pair market and why, in 2026, AI has become an increasingly interesting additional instrument even for people who are just beginning to learn trading. Not so long ago, a beginner had to spend a huge amount of time going through charts manually, checking numerous indicators, identifying possible patterns, watching volatility, and trying to understand how the market environment was changing. Today, modern algorithms can take over part of this routine work. They are capable of processing significant amounts of information, comparing multiple market parameters, analyzing price behavior, volatility, technical indicators, and other data much faster than a person could do manually. Guys, let's look at the market now and try to determine the logic of artificial intelligence, and I will use my thinking to explain the logic of entry. I know 2 support areas from which the price bounces off and goes up. I think that from these lows the price will continue to increase and my trade will close with a profit. At the same time, there is an important principle that every beginner should remember. Artificial intelligence should assist the trader rather than completely replace the trader's own judgment. That is why developing your personal trading logic should remain one of the priorities when you are starting out. You don't have to memorize dozens of strategies or learn every indicator that exists. It is much more useful to understand the basic principles. What conditions make you consider an entry? Which signals confirm your idea when market conditions are too uncertain? And how much risk you are willing to take? Once you have these fundamentals, AI can become an additional layer of analysis. Instead of spending all your time searching through charts and comparing information manually, you can use a neural network to process data and point out market situations that may deserve closer attention. But remember, no algorithm, regardless of how advanced it is, can guarantee a positive result on every trade. Markets can change unexpectedly, and even a well-developed model can make incorrect predictions. That is why money management remains just as important as the technology itself. One simple principle worth keeping in mind is to avoid putting more than 3% of your total deposit into a single position. The purpose of this approach is to prevent one unsuccessful decision from having an excessive impact on your entire trading account. For example, imagine that an AI system generates a signal, your own analysis supports the same direction, and at the same time your position size remains within your predefined risk limit. This is a much more balanced approach because technology works together with discipline instead of encouraging you to abandon your own rules. So, if you are a beginner in 2026, you don't need to become an expert analyst overnight. A much better starting point is to create a simple and understandable trading system, learn how to read price charts, determine your entry and exit conditions, and understand when it is better to remain outside the market. After that, you can introduce a neural network as an additional assistant. In the end, you have three important components working together: your own trading logic, artificial intelligence, and responsible money management. In my opinion, this combination is much more valuable than endlessly searching for a mythical perfect strategy that supposedly eliminates losses completely. There is no strategy that can remove market risk entirely. And now I want to remind you about the trading tool I'm currently using. You can get access to this tool for free through the link in the description below this video. In addition to the trading bot, you can also receive free access to a private VIP community. Inside this community, an experienced trader works with the team, analyzes the market, and shares trading signals during live sessions. Every potential trade is supported by technical analysis, which means you can observe how the market is evaluated instead of simply receiving an unexplained signal. This can also give beginners an opportunity to improve their own trading logic by watching how an experienced trader approaches different market situations. If you want to find out how to get free access to the VIP community and see the schedule of upcoming trading sessions, contact our support manager using the link provided in the description. Guys, in the meantime, my second trade has come to an end and I got a good result. Thanks to accurate signals from artificial intelligence and technical analysis, even a beginner can get stable results. I repeat once again that the bot can be obtained for free via the link in the description. The tool will remain with you forever. Trade rationally, stick to the trading plan and use the rules of money management. This was MaxBot Channel. Bye.